Another quick diagnosis gone wrong.
A vehicle arrives with a fault. Scan says one system. Everything points there. Parts check, tests run, nothing. Because the fault was never that simple. That's where HaynesPro changes the picture. Simply enter the vehicle identification number and access the right vehicle data instantly. SmartFIX provides verified repair solutions, so technicians can move faster from problem to fix. SmartCASE gives you real workshop cases to understand how similar faults were diagnosed and fixed. Known issues shows recurring faults by vehicle or system to speed up troubleshooting. From there, you get wiring diagrams to trace electrical faults. VESA Guided Diagnostics to follow the diagnosis step by step. Detailed repair manuals for complex operations. Repair times for accurate quotes. Torque settings to avoid costly mistakes. OEM-based maintenance procedures to follow manufacturer standards. Your workshop gets clear repair direction instead of guesswork.
Try HaynesPro and save time on your very first repair.